Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent second line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to indent second line. Go to the second line and click after the second line. You can use two process. You can select the second line, click and drag on our mouse, then select the hanging indent, then indent the text. Otherwise you can apply the keyboard shortcut key. Click after the second line, then press tab on our keyboard. Now we can see we indent second line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.